Alright, welcome to Tech Freelance Home. So today I'm talking about Outlier, but basically for the persons in Vietnam, in Pakistan, in India, Philippines, and Bangladesh. So this video will be all you need to get started with Outlier on YouTube training in just 5 minutes. I guarantee you've never seen a strategy like this before. So watch this very video to the very end, like the video, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Because in this video I'll be showing you the Outlier project nobody is talking about. And this Outlier project is meant basically for the persons in the Bangladesh, for the persons in Pakistan, for the persons in India, and persons in Vietnam and Philippines. No exams, no fancy setup, just a proven system that works in 2025. So here's why you can afford to miss this video. Because Outlier is evolving. What worked last year 2024 won't work again now in 2025. Okay, let me break it down. I'm breaking it down step by step, like the step-by-step playbook I used to build multiple Outlier accounts. You will learn how to automate ID creation using AI tools, and this system is beginner friendly. No tech skill is required, Yeah, so in a few minutes from now, you will walk away with a complete roadmap on how to get started. So don't miss out. Like this video, share it to 50 people in your groups, share it to 50 people in your contacts, either on Facebook or on WhatsApp, and in 5 groups that you are in. It could be either with Facebook or WhatsApp. And comment shared in the comment section. Go to the comment section and comment shared in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. Give the video a thumbs up. So check the channel description and contact me on WhatsApp. Contact me on WhatsApp with the screenshots. After 12 hours, you've shared this video to your friends, so the 50 friends, either on Facebook or WhatsApp, and also in the 5 group. After 12 hours, send me the screenshots on WhatsApp. Screenshot that you have shared it on WhatsApp, and I will give you my proxy logins. The proxy I'm using, I'll give you Notmaven proxy login, and I will also give you Digital Socks proxy login. And also I will share the verification software I'm using with you. I will share the file to you. You set it up in your PC, provided you have an NVIDIA graphics card enabled PC. I will share the file with you, and also the video on how to set it up and use it to verify your ID. And I'm also be giving you one US ID. I will give you driver license or a state ID. You understand? I'll give you a state ID or one driver license that have not been used before. The one I got from dark web, I will share it to you. Just one ID alone. I will share it to you. So let's get started. So do this. So share the video and tell me on WhatsApp, and I'm gonna give you this as I've mentioned. Alright, so see you guys on my WhatsApp, and watch this video to the very end, because you're gonna be learning how this works. This is the best video you're gonna see in this 2025 concerning Outlier for persons that are staying in Bangladesh, in Philippines, in Pakistan, in India, and so watch this video to the very end. And Vietnam, if I forget, Vietnam.